In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a PowerPoint file using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're tidying up your computer or clearing out old presentations, this quick walkthrough will help you remove files confidently and keep your workspace organized. I'll move at a comfortable pace and add tips along the way so everything feels clear and straightforward. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If it isn't already running, click the PowerPoint icon to launch it. Once PowerPoint is open, your goal is to locate the presentation you want to delete. If you worked on it recently, you'll probably see it listed on the start screen under Recent. That's a handy place to spot files you've opened in the last while. If you don't see it there, head to the File tab in the top left corner. Choose Open, then browse through your folders to find where the presentation is saved. Navigating here shows you your actual folders and files, which is important because this is where the delete option will be available. After you've found the file, remain in the File tab where you can see the file list. This area acts like a file manager inside PowerPoint, showing you your presentations and giving you options to manage them. Look carefully for the exact file you want to remove, and make sure the name and location match what you expect. When you're certain you've got the right one, right-click the file. A context menu will appear with several choices. Click Delete. PowerPoint will ask you to confirm this action, and this is your moment to double-check the file name one more time. When you're sure, confirm the deletion. The presentation will be removed from the list and deleted from its saved location. Depending on your system and storage, it may move to your recycle or trash area, but from within PowerPoint, it will no longer appear in the folder you were viewing. If you only want to tidy your recent list without deleting the actual file, make sure you're not confusing that with the delete option. Deleting here removes the real file from its location, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a PowerPoint file directly from within PowerPoint. Regularly curating your files keeps your projects easy to find, speeds up your workflow, and helps you stay focused on the presentations that matter most. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.